Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi here and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on LinkedIn app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.